The video you're about to watch is going to be ridiculous. Viewer discretion is advised. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Doing a little tongue-in-cheek video today. I'm going to be doing a burger, but instead of buns, I'm making 2 grilled cheese sandwiches. Why? Because it's ridiculous. I saw it on Reddit, and I thought, that's ridiculous. Then I said, I would eat that. So, yeah, a little tongue-in-cheek today. I usually make a little bit more complicated meals, but I thought since it's free-for-all, let's go a little nuts. So, let's get to it. Alright, so first thing I got going is I got a little bit of butter here for my my sourdough toast. I got this Seattle sourdough bread. I wanted a good bread, and I just actually don't like a lot of store-bought bread. I find it very boring. And since I'm working all weekend, I needed bread for lunches next couple days. I won't have a day off. I was very well. I can do like I don't know, some kind of sandwich and sourdough. So let's get to this. So what I've got going on here is I got some garlic butter here. I want to do this is garlic powder. Garlic powder. I've also got some Parmesan cheese, which I'm going to throw in here too. And I'm going to be buttering the bread with this because it should be really good. So I'll have a buttered garlic butter bread. I would normally just use room temperature butter, except I don't run my heaters and my butter's all pretty much hard, so it's alright. I could have used fresh garlic too, but I gotta work all weekend. I won't be cooking anything, so the garlic will just be sitting around for a few days. So let me butter all 4 of these. I'll do the other 2 off camera. Alright, then I'm gonna turn the back burner on medium. This one about medium high-ish. Got a pound of ground beef. It's something on the burner here. Dang. Oh, I wanna make sure everything was together. Got my patty here. Get this nice and flattened out. Now it's going to shrink when you cook it, so I can pretty much just use the bottom of the plate, the white of the plate, as a guide. A little salt. A little bit of little sloppy mama white. There we go. I think that pan is hot enough. I am going to wash my hands before. Get the bread in the pan. Not quite. I'll have to be moving those around a lot. Unfortunately, these breads don't quite fit in here perfectly, but you know, you're just gonna have to. This pan's not really hot enough, but I don't want to crank the heat and burn the bread. That would suck, but. Turn up just a little bit more. So, alright. Get can't be a grilled cheese without Kraft American Singles. Right here from America. So question, you guys ever just grab a slice of cheese, fold it in half and eat it like a cheese sandwich? Because I do. Alright. Oh! Again, a little dark on the bottom. You know, I bet it's the garlic and Parmesan cheese. So I'll turn it down real quick. There we go. And I'll show you this. I went ahead and killed the burner. As you can see, they're crisping up pretty nice. So let the residual heat finish them off. Alright, flip this burger. Gotta be getting pretty close. Don't want to push too hard. I don't want to push all that goodness out. Alright. So the buns are pulled. See them right here. 2 grilled cheese sandwiches. I probably could have just went without the garlic and the cheese, but I had to be a little different. So no burger is a burger without some bacon. Well, it's still a burger. It's just better with bacon. Oh yeah. Which I just cooked. I cooked this off camera because, you know, I've fried bacon here plenty of times. All right, go ahead and get this guy up. So yeah, we're gonna put the beef patty right on the one grilled cheese, and then the next one on the other grilled cheese. There you go. All right, so get this guy cut. And just because I made some baked beans, I'm gonna set them on the side while I cut this sucker. And there you go. So it's burger, bacon burger, grilled cheese, between two grilled cheese. Alrighty. I don't know if I can even get a whole bite of this. Let's give it a shot. A little too much garlic. Not that it tastes bad, it's just, what's the word? The amount is a bit much. Well, I gotta tell you, that's actually pretty good. Excuse me. I would make that again. I guess I didn't try the beans. They're just out of the can, baked beans. I was thinking about sides and just went with this. Okay. Alright. I'm going to enjoy my dinner. I'll catch you guys in a few. Alright, well, clean the cutting board off. Probably not the most practical thing, but it was pretty tasty. The garlic was a little grainy. I don't think I probably should have used less, or maybe not at all. But it was alright. It wasn't unedible. It was just a little, the texture of it was a little bit, you know, off-putting, but it was still good. I'd still give it a good 8-7 out of 10. So, anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next one. Have a good one.